Hello everyone, welcome to my project ideas channel. Today we'll learn how to make Arduino based ultrasonic distance sensor. So now let us begin. So for this, first of all we need an ultrasonic distance sensor, one small breadboard, 3 LEDs, 3 resistors, one Arduino Uno and a few connecting wires. Now let us see how to combine them. So for this we will connect this cathode terminal of this LED to one end of the resistor and another end of the resistor to this G and D pin of the Arduino. Similarly, we will connect all these LEDs in the same manner, and the anode terminal of the LEDs will be connected to this pin number 7, 5 and 3 of this Arduino Uno respectively. Now let us see how we will be connecting this ultrasonic distance sensor to this Arduino. So in this there are total 4 pins. First is the power pin that we will be connecting to this 5V pin of this Arduino Uno. Second one is this trigger pin that we will be connecting to the 9 number pin of the Arduino Uno. Third one is the echo pin and with that we will be connecting to the 8 number pin of this Arduino Uno. And the fourth one is the ground pin that we will be connecting to this G and D of the Arduino Uno. Now let us see how our code will be. So this is our code. Over here, first of all we have initialized two variables. First is the distance and the second one is the centimeter to 0. After this we have used one function that is a long range ultrasonic distance. Over here we are taking two inputs. First is the trigger pin and the second one is the echo. Now let us see how this void setup function will work. In this void setup function, what we are doing is we are bringing the serial connection at this much of rate, that is 9600 bits per second, and we are configuring the 3 pins, that is the 3, 5 and 7 number pin of this Arduino Uno for the output purpose. Now in this void low function, what we are doing is we are giving this 330 value to this variable, that is a distance variable, which will denote how much what is the range of this sensor. Now we will be connecting the centimeter using this formula. What we are actually doing here is, this is the function, we are calling this function over here. We are giving it this input 9 and 8. What is this 9 and 8? This is the 9 number pin of Arduino connected to this trigger terminal of the sensor, and the 8 one is connected to this echo terminal of the sensor. We are giving this value to this function. Now what will happen over here is, we are giving the output to this trigger pin, that is the 9 number pin, making it low for 3 seconds, for 3 microseconds, then making it high for 10 microseconds, again making it low, and taking the input from this echo pin. And overall, after this function we will return this value, that will be percent echo pin high. And this we will be calculating the exact distance of the object in centimeters. After this we are using the serial print function for printing the centimeter value in the serial monitor. After this what we are doing is, we are using this if statement. So now if the centimeter will be greater than distance, we have used this value, that is the range of the sensor, as now it is 330 centimeter. So now it will be greater than this, none of the LEDs will glow. If it is less than 330 centimeter but greater than 330 minus 100, that is equal to 230 centimeter, one of the LED will glow and other 2 LEDs will not glow. Now if the distance will be in between 200 centimeter to 100 centimeter, 2 of the LEDs will glow and only 1 will not glow. And if the distance is somewhere between 0 to 100 centimeter, all LEDs will glow. And this is the delay function that we have used over here. It denotes 1000 milliseconds, that is equal to 1. So this is our code. Now let us see how it actually will work. So for this, I'm clicking in the start simulation. Over here you can see the object is very near, hence all these 3 LEDs are glowing as I'm moving it far. As you can see, only 2 LEDs are glowing and 1 is not glowing. I'm digging it a bit more far, as you see only one is moving and other ones are not. So in this way, this ultrasonic distance sensor works on the principle of sound waves. Thank you.